What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver back again, and I got a banger for y'all as usual. You know how that go. Like I said, let me give y'all a little sneak peek though. Oh, pretty big package there. I ain't gonna tell y'all what's in it, but just know the giveaway items in it. I ain't gonna tell you what's in it, but just know the giveaway items is in it. You get it? Kind of get it, but I ain't gonna tell you what exactly it is. So we're gonna just, set that off to the side. Just letting y'all know the giveaway is coming soon. I'm not playing with y'all. Y'all see how full the bag is. Just you see how big it is. I'm telling y'all, man. So you better subscribe now. I'm telling you, you better subscribe now, cause boy, the things that's in here, I'm telling you, look, this thing just is heavy alone by itself. Like, it's heavy, I'm telling you. I got some things in there, crazy stuff I'm finna give to y'all. It's gonna be crucial. It's coming soon. Y'all just gotta be patient. Make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe. Let them know I have a giveaway coming soon. I don't care if you're a new sub. I don't care what, if you subscribe just for the giveaway. Let everybody know the giveaway coming soon, man. I don't care about none of that, man. I really want to give it to my day ones, but anybody can win the giveaway. So we're going to just let it rock like that. But today's video, we're going to be showing y'all how to get waves in the back of your head. A lot of y'all having trouble with getting waves in the back of your head. A lot of y'all having real trouble with that. And I'm going to tell y'all number one mistake. I'm going to tell y'all why y'all don't have waves in the back of your head. You want to know why? First, let me come out the rag and show y'all my waves in the back of my head. And let me show you why you ain't got waves in the back of your head and what you've been lacking in. What the steps you need to take to step it up to that next level to get waves in the back, to connect to the sides, and connect to the left and the right side, so it can connect to the front, so it can be a full 360, 720, however it go. This steps is still gonna work for you if you got 720s, 540s, whatever you got. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. Let's unrack. So as you can see, my stuff is pretty locked in. So I ain't false advertising out here like some of you waivers do, but we're gonna get to it, man. I'm finna show y'all right now. You feel me? This is what you lacking in right here. This big black thing I'm holding right here with a handle on it, it's called a mirror. Something y'all need to learn how to use, my G. Get in that mirror, I'm telling you. Bathroom, you brushing, if you see which way that your hair grows, it's either gonna go this way in the back or it's gonna go that way. You feel me? But typical people hair grow this way. So figure out which way your hair grows. Get comfortable with your hair. Learn your hair. Learn the way to brush your hair. Learn how to brush your hair. Learn the way it grows. And I'm telling you, your back gonna come in. That's how I got my back in. That's how you can get your back in. The only way you can get your back in is by brushing the back of your head in the mirror. You can't see the back of your head. So why are you going like this out in public and just brushing and you can't see nothing? Your wave's not gonna never come in the back. The only way you can really get in the back is really getting in that mirror, man. There's no other way. There's no other way. If you want to take your waves to the next level, you want to pass me up, you want to pass your favorite waver up, you want to pass anybody up in the wave game, you want to just have good waves and not even trying to pass nobody up, just having good waves, period. And you want to have your shit killing in the back. You feel me? You can't have it killing in the back unless you brushing with that mirror, man. That's key facts right there. End of story. I don't want to hear no ifs, ands, or buts about it. That mirror is going to take you to them distances you need to get to. There's no other way you can get there without a mirror. You're not going to get there at all, man. And like I said, man, thanks a lot for 4,000 subscribers. Once again, we came a long way on this long journey. I only been on YouTube for, on this new channel for about 10 months. 4,000 already? Come on now, quit playing with me, man. Y'all starting to scare me out there. We sneaking, we coming up too fast, man. It's crazy, man. But I'm telling you, giveaway coming. Y'all seen the items? It's crazy. Got the mirror right here. Make sure y'all get a mirror. This at any local beauty supply. Go shop around. You can, if you don't see this one at one beauty supply, go to another beauty supply. If you don't see it at that beauty supply, go to a little hood beauty supply. And what I mean by that is one that everybody go to in your local city, one that you know is very popular, not one of these high-end beauty supplies. Go to something that's in the neighborhood or something like that. So you can get something like this, a big mirror like this or something, some little mirror, one of them, you know, beauty supplies, you know, somebody opened up. Not one of them beauty supplies that look like somebody built that and it's like an actual, you know what I mean? Like one of them places that, you know, like, there's a difference between Sally's and an actual beauty supply. There's Sally's for hair and like in an actual beauty supply store, like a corner store type of thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about, man. Y'all know the differences. That's like me going to the beauty supply versus Walmart. You go to Walmart, you're gonna get a little mirror like this. Why go to Walmart and get a mirror like this right here when you can get a mirror like this so you can see more? You feel me? I can see way more on my head with this big ass mirror. Yes, this big ass mirror, I can see something. I can see more than what I can see with this little tiny mirror trying to, you know, you feel me, get real close and trying to see something. You ain't gonna be able to see nothing with that. You can't see nothing at all with that. What you gonna see with that? Nothing. You feel me? You can't see nothing with that. With this, I got a big mirror in my hand. I can see everything that's going on with my head and I can kill the wave game. And like I said, another way, you wanna get waves in the back. Let's say you wanna get waves like me, how my waves in the back start to go curved like that and it goes up into my waves like this. Basically how my waves go like that, you feel me? It's because I used a curved brush instead of a straight brush. A straight brush, you're gonna brush it straight down and stuff like that. Curved brush, you can curve it to the side. I mean, with a straight brush, you can curve to the side too, but why not do it with a curved brush? You feel me? The brush is already curved, you curving it, it's gonna make it look more killer. Let me show y'all the differences. So this the differences, man. Look, right here, this turned into my wash brush. I ain't gonna lie, I need to get another curved brush. You feel me? Let me show y'all the differences though. You feel me? That's a curve right here. This is a straight. Same length and all, pretty much. But that's the differences. Like, come on now. You can get somewhat, with this, you can curve your back. With this, you feel me, you doing, it's a different way. You feel me? You like, it's different. Like, it's just different, bro. You have to see for yourself. Trust. It's way different. Pretty much same thing. You can get the same mediums, but it's a different brush when you curve in the back of your head instead of using this to go straight. You feel me? This is a royalty brush, curved. I mean, this is a royalty brush, you know, medium. You feel me? And this is a curved Torino. You know, you could watch my review on this brush before I damaged it and made it look all nasty, made it my wash brush and stuff. It's a pretty good brush, got pretty good tug. Y'all can go watch that video. Link will be down in the bio. Oh yeah, and y'all can watch the review on this brush too, so y'all can see more in-depth detail about this brush, about both of these brushes. Link down bio. Link down in description. I don't know why I'm saying bio, I'm thinking of Instagram. Link down in description so y'all can go watch the reviews on these videos. Bio, description, same thing basically. But y'all can go watch the reviews on view video on these brushes and see how they is and how the pull is if y'all want to see more deep in detail and how to get these brushes and where to get them from, man. These Torino Pro, that's a royalty pro. This Torino Pro, this a royalty. I don't know why I said royalty pro, I'm tripping. I don't know, man. You know, but anyway, that's how you do it, man. That's the real differences, man. I don't understand. You feel me? You just hit the back like. And brush from the crown down. It's so simple. I don't understand how y'all not getting waves in the back. How y'all waves are not being moisturized. How y'all just lacking in progress. It's so simple, man. I know y'all not picking up the mirror for a fact. I know it. I know that's a fact. Take 10 minutes out your day, bro. If you want to have your waves looking good, it don't even have to be elite. You don't even have to be a real waver. You don't even have to be, oh, I'm gonna just be weird because, no, you don't have to be none of that, bro. You could just be a normal person with normal waves, but you watch my videos because you want to get your waves to that next level so you could be looking, your waves could be looking at the part for school whatever else you getting into, man. And nowadays, everybody off into whatever else they doing, but you still watching the video. So, you know, your personal life don't got nothing to do with me. But anyway, long story short, like I said, man, the mirrors are a big difference. You can't take your waves to the next level. You steady asking me, what's this, what's that, when I know your problem, bro. You're not mirror brushing. Take 10 minutes. It could be 10 minutes, bro. You don't even have to get 30 minutes or an hour session in. Just 10 minutes in that mirror will make a difference from you not getting in that mirror. But once you get comfortable and you start becoming more, you know, comfortable with actually getting more sessions in, taking time out your 24 hours to really get a session in that mirror, it makes a big difference in your waves, bro. Like y'all see mine, it makes a big difference. Even on the sides, it makes a big difference. The back, it makes a big difference. The crown, it makes a big difference. The left, it makes a big difference. The top, it makes a big difference. Just the mirror is so much more better by getting a brush session in the mirror. Yeah, I may get sessions in with y'all in here, and I'm like this, and there's no mirror behind me right here on the wall or nothing like that. But trust, that mirror is a big difference. Big difference. Just by me holding that mirror up and looking at it from right here makes a huge difference, bro. Makes a huge difference. That help. Not only will you gain less forks, you won't gain any forks. You're gonna gain less. You ever heard about gaining less forks? That means you knocking them forks out. They coming out the hairline. They're going away. Oh yeah. By the way, once you can have a fork right here in your waves, it's gonna travel. It might not travel straight. It might travel down. It might travel up. Whichever way it travels. Once it get down to the hairline and you brush that boy out, combing is key too. You gotta comb. Make sure you combing the same way you brush. Treat it like a brush session. You feel me? Get that comb in. You feel me? I'm telling you, it's gonna make a big difference. And y'all not knowing it now, you're gonna know. Trust. Just listen to me for the one time. Get in that mirror. It's gonna make a huge difference on your waves. You're gonna be like, damn. My boy Rico really was spitting that game to me, man, and I wasn't listening. But now that I actually picked up that mirror and I made it a big difference, it can even be this mirror, man. It don't have to be the big mirror like that, but that big mirror do make a big difference. But even with a little mirror, even if you can't find a big mirror, just being in the mirror, period, with a mirror in the back of you and you brushing, bro, it makes us a big difference. You can learn which way you need to brush, so that way when you ain't brushing, when you ain't in the mirror, you can hit that angle the same way. So you can just touch it up. You feel me? Touch the waves up real quick and get that angle looking right, bro. Got it looking killer and all of that, bro. Once you learn your angles, it's over with, bro. You can brush without a mirror. But I really don't recommend it because, of course, you're going to gain forks because you're not seeing what you're doing. Honestly, and you gain more forks when you're not seeing what you're doing, especially as a coarse hair waver and especially as a person that's still trying to lock in their crown and trying to keep their crown locked. Because you can have things called shadow lines, which is, you know, lines going across your stuff, or like that, the other way, and it won't look good, bro. Like, trust, you'll be thinking your crown in a circle when you brushing, when you're not in the mirror. In reality, it really got a fat ass line on the back of your head when you should have gotten that mirror. So I really recommend the only time y'all should really be brushing is in that mirror, bro. And start treating your top like the back. Start treating your top like the sides, bro. And if you have a weak side, the only reason why you should have a weak side is because you got a fork or two. There's no way you should have waves here, and this side just looks like straight hair. There's no way. The only reason why your hair look like that, simple, bro. You pick up the brush and the first thing you do when you pick up the brush is, yeah, man. What we got planned for today? What's plots? Y'all already know, man. What's the deal? What's the deal? All right. Okay. Go about your business. 30 minutes later. Man, what we on, bro? Shit, I'm just chilling, bro. Ain't nothing to do. Niggas bored. I'm bored right now. What did y'all notice I did? Oh, wait. Oh, right. All I did was brush the top of my head the whole time. How are you gonna get waves on the sides if you're not? What's the deal, bro? Or you can just make it like this, bro. Before you even go out, 2-3 hours ahead of time, when you first wake up, before you go to bed, you can just go like this in the mirror in the bathroom. Feel me? Learn your angles. Learn your angles. You feel me? Learn your angles. Learn your angles. Feel me? You hitting your angles in the mirror. Right now we in the bathroom. We in the mirror. We hitting our angles. Boom, 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 boom. We laying down with a plastic bag. In the mirror still. Just like that. Boom. You ragged up. You know, you got your grease in. You brush. You plastic bag. You plastic bag. You feel me? You ragged up. You. I'm speaking so fast. I'm damn near stuttering. You ragged up. You know, and the next day come. You unragging. You about your business. All you gotta do is touch up your line then. Feel me? Brush down that. And not even that sometimes. Sometimes you could just, feel me, do what I do. And your stuff gonna be looking killer for the rest of the day. You don't even gotta touch it. You just walk around, let your hair shine, let it glisten. Let it just, you feel me? Let it just, feel me? It speaks for itself. It's real simple. Your wave's gonna speak for itself, bro. It's real simple. Let your wave speak, bro. Let your wave speak. You don't have to be sitting here brushing in nobody's face. You let them brush, bro. Let them know, like, you getting your session in right now. Shoot, bro, I already got a session in, bro. I'm straight. My wave's locked in. I mirror brush only, bro. My wave's connected. My wave's is killer. My wave's A1, bro. You just start talking to them like this, bro. Like, you don't even care what they got going on, bro. Like, get out my face, bro. I'm a top waver, bro. Like, watch out. You can just start talking to them like that, bro. It's real simple, bro. It's real simple. You just talk to them like that. Your wave's gonna be killer. You're gonna be locked in already because you in that mirror. But in reality, they ain't know you was in that mirror because they ain't focused. Even if they watching the same video as you, they not listening. You listening. You actually listening. I'm not trying to be your daddy or nothing, but I'm trying to help you out in this wave game and let you know what you could just take your waves to the next level with. You feel me? I ain't, you know, it's in it is what it is. You feel me? Like I said, you know, I'm just a young little dude and a youth. I'm just a young dude out here trying to pave the way and let y'all know how I got my waves to this level, man. I ain't saying I'm the best. I'm not saying I'm the GOAT or nothing like that. I'm just saying, bro, I know my waves look a little decent enough to be on this channel, enough for y'all to actually listen to what I gotta say, enough for I got a supporter behind me. It's people that's gonna support me. You feel me? At the end of the day. But with that being said, man, that's how you get your waves in the back, man. If this video didn't motivate you, you're watching the wrong video. You're not. If this video didn't promote you, if this video didn't motivate you to get in that mirror and brush, then if this video did not motivate you, bro, then I don't know what you're doing, bro. But on that note, I'm going to take a sip of this apple juice, and I'm going to just keep it player, man. Yeah, man, but y'all, you feel me? Make sure y'all like the video, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, you know, comment your what? I don't know, comment crazy. Go crazy in the comments, man. I'm gonna respond back. Y'all know I always respond to the comments, man. Comment apple juice gang in that thing. Comment your favorite drink. I wanna know your favorite drink down below. Let me know, actually, yeah, let me know your favorite drink down below. If you like, comment, subscribe. It's me and boy Rico the Waver. I'm out. Gang. Damn, the apple juice good. Whew.